Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rapichas here. I decided to record this quick video on this nice feud. So what's going on? Black is going down and they have this a2 pawn which is going to queen, and this pawn is not easy to stop. The problem is that you cannot play rook b1 because pawn takes, and you cannot play bishop to e5 because this pawn will take it. And there is no like good check to jump to d1 yet, because if you give check this way, then king e8, for instance, you don't want to go king to d7 because then white will stop it, but you want to play just king to e8, and there is no check on e6. Alright, so white plays bishop to c5. Now they create this threat to play rook to d6 and rook d1. So black plays queen to a1, a1 queen. They have now a huge material advantage. Queen like plus 5 pawns according to ancient. So what does white do? White has 3 pieces near the king, and they will create an attack. They start with rook to d6. King e7 is obviously a big blunder because we have a discovery and queen. White wins the queen, so you have the only move here. And in this position, if you can think for a little bit, you can understand that white creates a mating threat with king to c8. Now, there is only one move which protects from mate on d8. You cannot run again to f8 because rook to d1 will win a queen. So there it's not one move, but you cannot just run away with the king. So queen to a5, stopping mate on d8. And white plays, this is the move of the game, rook to d5. It's kind of nothing's going on, and normally black will have time to regroup, but in this position black is in zugzwang. They don't have a good move. For instance, b6, attacking the bishop. Then rook to d8 is mate. f5, then rook to e5 is mate. And the only normal move is b5, kind of waiting move, but white then changes the attack. Rook to d3. Now it appears that rook to e3 is a mating threat, and the best move is queen to b6, but if we stop this mate, then again rook to d8, checkmate. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you next time.